welcome back to my channel. I'm your everyday Mark. Today, i-review natin ang one of the mechanical keyboards from Logitech. This is the G512 Carbon GX Blue Clicky variant. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, you know the drill. Just hit the like and the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka every time I post videos like this. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing. So pagbukas pa lang natin ng box, meron tayong makikitang braided cable which is also connected to the keyboard itself. Itong cable na to yung kinakabit natin sa laptop natin or dun sa CPU. And some paperwork. So straight out of the box, yan na yun. Keyboard, the cable, and some paperwork. Okay, simulan natin ng review sa design ng keyboard. So makikita natin na isa itong compact, full-size keyboard. It is made of aluminum top. This keyboard, for me, doesn't feel or look like a budget keyboard. Sa design pa lang niya. And on the upper right corner, makikita natin ang G logo. Sa bandang ilalim naman, meron tong 6 na rubber feet that will keep your keyboard from sliding around your desk. Ang maganda pa nito, meron din siyang dalawang rubber feet na pwede mong gamitin para erase yung back edge. One of the best features nito ay yung USB pass-through port at the top right corner. So, let's say in case na gusto nyo mag-plug ng any USB compatible device, like in my case, yung unifying device for my Bluetooth mouse, pwedeng-pwede rin naman yun. By the way, this is not a sponsored video from Logitech. GX Blue switches have an actuation distance of 1.9 mm, total travel of 4 mm, and an actuation force of 50 grams. As you can see, the key spacing felt spot on, komportableng mag-type using the concave top surface. The keycaps are definitely fingerprint and oil magnet pero mukhang durable naman. Yung floating keys design and well-spaced keys are top-notch. Unlike some other brands or variants, this keyboard doesn't include any replacement keycaps out of the box. For me, the RGB lighting really looks great, but the only problem about the design is that the secondary function of keys do not light up, so kakapain mo talaga siya, especially kapag madilim yung area mo. Speaking of RGB lighting, pwede mo rin ma-download yung gaming software from Logitech. So, from there you can use the presets and you can also create your own effects, but it's easier to just take a preset you like. After all, marami namang siyang option. Pwede ka rin maggumawa ng freestyle, animation, or you can also customize the macros or yung mga keys. Or you can also modify yung mga keys na gagamitin mo for specific games. The physical and audio feedback in the form of a satisfying bump and loud click with each key press. Nung trinay ko siya sa Asphalt game, it didn't disappoint. I actually enjoyed the tactile feedback during gaming. So what's my verdict? First, yung solid build quality and customizable RGB lighting makes it worth every penny, I should say. Although pricey, but it's an attractive option if you're looking for a budget meal na keyboard. It's a better keyboard for someone like me who used membrane keyboards for the longest time. If you like this video or if you like similar contents, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I hope to see you on my next video.